Introducing the brand new Torrent casting series. The Torrent casting series is crafted with high quality IM6 carbon. These rods are extremely light, sensitive, and well balanced. The Torrent casting series features a pure power transition blend. Our specialized computer control wrapping at 4 different angles, paired with an 8+1 strategically distributed guide system, ensures consistent and smooth power transition throughout the bed. Pure power transition means better control on strong hook sets and long battles with big fish. The S-style hook keeper makes it easy to hook and unhook your baits while out in the water. You spoke, we listened. We've crammed the Torrent series full of high-end features to give you a high-quality rod series at a price that anyone can afford. Grab your own Torrent casting series rod, and as always, don't forget to fish with family.